don't eat the fringe. We need that for Coachella. Okay, no, 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 don't eat it, don't eat it. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome back to my channel. So Coachella is officially in T-minus 3 days and I am so stoked. I didn't go last year and to be honest, I had a buttload of FOMO. So this year I'm going and I bought so many outfits that I'm so excited to wear. And one of my favorite things about Coachella is that there are no fashion rules. You can literally wear whatever you want because there will guaranteed be someone wearing something crazier, something more out there, something with the craziest prints. So I always feel like this is just my chance to wear things that I've been scared to wear normally, aka like a print or like a long dress. I mean, you guys know I literally wear athleisure every single day. So anything that I wear to Coachella is gonna be a little crazier than my everyday day-to-day clothing. Also, I just dropped new spring merch. This is one of them. It's the DIY and glitter t-shirt. Sorry, my monitor is over here, so I want to make sure I could show you guys the whole shirts. If you haven't shopped the new spring line already, it's shop.laurDIY.com and there are some super cute new pieces. I think this is my favorite drop we've ever done. Anyways, moving on to the haul, I've got a whole bunch of pieces. So much of it is from Forever 21. I personally love Forever 21. I like online a little bit better than the store when I'm looking for something like a little more crazy like Coachella stuff, but I'm super excited. I got so many pieces and I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see a try on portion of the haul and y'all were like super clear on wanting a try on portion. So I'm gonna try on most of the pieces, but to be honest, this is the first time that I'm trying on everything. There's a few pieces that I've already tried on like as soon as it arrived. I was super stoked about it, but most of this stuff I haven't tried on. So we doing this together. So if you don't see a try on portion, it's probably because it didn't fit or ended up not liking it, but I'm still gonna show you everything that I purchased. Okay, so the first piece is, okay, this is what I mean about like being able to wear literally anything. Okay, and also we've got a bodysuit attached to it. This is the set. It's this. Oh my gosh, okay, I feel like 90s babies will like understand this, but if you didn't have a bag that looked like this in like a silver or a rainbow, what was you doing though? Okay, so this is the bottom half and then it's got a matching top, little crop top, tank top. I don't know why I'm laughing. It's so extra, but I love it so much. It's gonna be so fun. I feel like with some space buns, maybe some glitter in my hair, I feel like it's all the things that I am going to want to wear to Coachella. Haven't tried this piece on yet, but I mean, if there's some footage of me wearing it, then that means we like it. And this next piece, I honestly don't know what I was thinking. Also, there's a moose at the door right now. Moose, if I let you in, if you're gonna be, are you gonna be a good boy? I just feel like he's gonna come and eat all my Coachella clothing. To Moose! Okay, so the next piece is, and this is like one of the ones that I just don't know what I was thinking. It's also covered in glitter, so as soon as I put it on, my entire floor, my body, my moose, everything was covered in glitter. But this is what it looks like, and it's got obviously like the under pieces to it already. And I feel like this could be really cute for like a nighttime situation. There's this event that also happens in Palm Springs called Neon Carnival, where it's just like a legitimate carnival. It's a little more ravey. Like Coachella is like festival. Neon Carnival is very much like, that's me like pretending to know what a rave is. I think that this could be appropriate. The rest of it is more like festival-ish. These first two pieces are like a little more cray-cray. Okay, next is just a very normal Coachella-ish top. Looks like this. I honestly maybe already have something like it, but it's super cute. It's got the bell sleeves and some lace detailing down the arms, a little tie-up in the front, and I feel like it's a staple to have for like a hat, jean shorts, some booties. Very safe Coachella. Are we just doing the whole butthole thing again? Just butthole. Great. Okay, love this for us. The next piece is actually a romper slash dress that I already have in white, but it fits so well and it's so comfy. It's actually the dress that I was wearing. Oh good, so now we're just throwing pillows off the set. I love that for us. It's the dress I was wearing in the poppy field photos in like a cream beigey color. And so I got it in this really cute like rusty reddish burnt orange color. I feel like it's gonna be super cute. I feel like it's a little more festival. Like the other one's like airy and beachy, but I feel like this could be really cute. And also it's just really flattering. So like if I've eaten a lot of Coachella hot dogs or something, I feel like this is the outfit. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this dress on. This is like one of those things that I would probably never wear in like a normal day-to-day setting, but is gonna be really great for Coachella, I think. I'm hoping. I haven't tried it on. I'm so excited. Moose. No tippy tappies. So this is what it looks like. It's got this really cute high neck lace situation, which could potentially be super uncomfortable, but I looked at the forecast. Forecast is like not too crazy this coming week, so I'm hoping it's gonna be good. And then it's got all these layers of I'm not entirely sure what fabric this is. Moose, yes. Oh, good. We're just gonna sit. Moose is just sitting on all of the clothing in front of me. This is not how you Coachella haul, Moose. 3 layers, and it's like really swingy and sway. But the high neck situation, I don't know. We gonna see about it. Okay, Moose, you're literally sitting on everything. Also, I just realized that I ordered a dress a month and a half ago and it still has not showed up. It was the first piece that I ordered. Where the heck is it? It literally hasn't come yet. The next one is another white flowy dress. And I feel like I ended up buying so many things on Forever 21 from the swimsuit cover-up section. That last Rust dress was a swimsuit cover-up. This is a swimsuit cover-up, and it's so cute. It's got a little pom-pom trim around the top, a halter tie-up, and then I'm just thinking like high-waisted white shorty underpants situation underneath. I don't know, we'll see. Obviously it needs like some booby cups or some petals or something because it's very see-through, so we'll see. But I did get a really cute bathing suit. Okay, so this is my hack also in the swim section. It's a high-waisted bathing suit bottom in white to wear under this, and there's another outfit from one of the things I got from Dolls Kill that needs like a white undergarment. But I just felt like bathing suit is probably more legit than just trying to find like white shorts or white high-waisted underwear or something, because they're really thick and stretchy and already comfortable and made to just be like worn as is, obviously in the water. But I think this might be the move, and it's also a $15 move, which I'm down with. Ah! Mouse! No, don't eat the fringe. We need that for Coachella. Okay, no, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Okay, so the next piece is another one from Forever 21, and it's this really fun fringe. Oh no. There's just like a leaf in here. What is going on? Fringe cover up to go over, again, just like black high-waisted shorts or denim shorts or whatever. And I have a really cute lace top somewhere to go with it. Wait, where'd that go? I can't remember if it was this one or another one that I really like. Lots of top options. They're kind of like a lace bralette situation. I tried this one on, loved it. One of my favorite outfits. So I've got this and then the fringe skirt to go over it. I'm thinking with black bottoms or of some sort, black shorts or something maybe. I don't know, we'll see. But like Forever 21, come freaking through. Another option that I bought that I saw on an inspo Instagram page that I really loved was this leopard bodysuit or cheetah or whatever. Didn't realize it was gonna be so super sheer. So not entirely sure what the move is around this, but I saw this paired with like a fringe situation, and on Instagram it was really cute, but like this gonna be just like all boobies. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. Probs will not have a try on portion of that one. Okay, and then this skirt is again a swimsuit cover up. Man, I swear, swimsuit cover up section, come through. It's actually to replace a skirt portion of a Dolls Kill outfit because the skirt was too tight. So I swapped it out for this one. It's just like a sheer long skirt with a leg slit. And again, I think just over maybe those white bathing suit bottoms, but it's so comfy and so stretchy. Moose, yo, tippy tappies. Yo, tippy tappies. He has no idea what I'm saying. So this is gonna go with, wait, hold, please hold. This top, which is from Dolls Kill, I'm pretty sure. And this is what I mean about wearing anything you want. Like Yeehaw meets bikini meets Coachella. So this is gonna go with this, and I didn't realize that this white is a little bit whiter than this, but I think once they're not touching, it'll be fine. But it originally came with this, and it's just like a long sheer skirt with like the matching top, and it's so cute, but it's so tight, and a girl gotta breathe at Coachella. So I'm sad, but we gonna make it work. Also, this is just like a lot to begin with. Like we got studs happening, we've got fringe happening. It's just like a bikini top, but like not actually made for the water. So I think it's maybe okay that we'll balance out, you know, like some cray cray, yeehaw, Coachella on top, and then some like chill on the bottom. Moose, you are stepping on everything. And then this next set is from Dolls Kill, and I feel like I'm going to end up at Coachella and every other girl is going to be wearing this, because I feel like Dolls Kill is a really popular website for Coachella and like festival and rave clothing. So I feel like it's gonna be me and every other basic girl at Coachella wearing the same outfit, but it's so cute, so I don't really care. Also, this is again what I mean about wearing just like whatever you want. We taking a risk with this one. This is what it looks like. So here's the bottom. It's just like this super high-waisted, sequiny, fringy situation. I don't even know, but it's super stretchy. It's like surprisingly really comfortable. Again, girls gotta breathe at Coachella. And then the top is so fun, and like we just out here being itty bitty titty committee president, because this is, it looks really small but fits really well. Like, are my boobs this small? Like obviously the answer is yes, but like these look tiny. Like these look like they're just gonna hold ping pong balls. That's not an inaccurate measurement of my boob size, but anyways, this is what it looks like, and it's just like a matching top, and it's so cute. I think this is my favorite piece. I'm so excited. And then I also got got this second set. Oh, we've got pieces of carpet in it. Okay, here we go. These are the shorts. Didn't love these. These were not super flattering. Oh, actually, this is the top that I like better with that fringe black skirt. This is what it looks like. It's got some coverage too, so you don't have to worry about like a little nipple situation, but super cute. And I love the bottom lace detailing. And again, this was from Dolls Kill. So I didn't love the shorts, but I don't know. Maybe it was something else. And then I picked up a few other single pieces that weren't part of a set from Dolls Kill, I think. I also got a few things from some Instagram ad called Shop 12th Tribe, 13th Tribe, 12 Tribe. I don't know. Guys, my Instagram advertising is so spot on accurate for things that I love, and it's a little terrifying. It's like having a personal shopper, but also a little terrifying at the same time. So this is one of the tops, and I love this top. It's also so stretchy, so comfy. So probably this just with like maybe that fringe skirt again, or just jean shorts. So cute. No, I'm not Illuminati. I don't even know what that means. Everyone's gonna see the eyeball and be like, oh my God, Illuminati. But I promise it's not, and I don't even really know what Illuminati is. And then I got this leopard dress, and I think this would just be really cute for maybe a nighttime thing with a leather jacket and a black hat and maybe the Gucci belt to just cinch it at the waist. You know, pretty simple. It's by the brand Motel, and I love all their stuff. It's usually pretty comfy and good quality. Okay, and then I also got some black little X nipple covers. Will these get worn? No, we will see. So stay tuned. Make sure you're following me on Instagram if you want to see if these make it out into the world. This might be a little too risque. Like, I love taking risks at Coachella. I love wearing new things, but this might be a little too far. I don't know. Dad DIY would probably unfollow me on Instagram if I posted anything in these. Okay, and then the last thing I got from ASOS, it's a pair of shoes. They are just these white platform booties, and I've been looking forever for a pair of these, and they're so, wait, ASOS? Was it ASOS? No, Dolls Kill. Second order on Dolls Kill. So cute, so comfy. These were a 5.5, I think, and they fit so well. I don't know if these will be a pair of shoes that I'll wear to the festival grounds, but maybe just to an event, but they're so cute. And I feel like I haven't had a pair of white, like, going out shoes for Coachella before. I usually wear, like, black booties. So, again, we take a little risk. Also just stab myself in the eyeball with my hair. Okay, so that is everything for the Coachella haul. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be vlogging. I'm going with Pura Vida, and I mean, like, they just know aesthetic. So I'm so excited to see the hotel and just like all the cool events we're gonna do. So make sure to stay tuned for next Wednesday's vlog. I'm pretty sure that will be a Coachella recap and all the fun things that I do in Palm Springs. Make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to stay up to date with the whole Coachella situation on the weekend. I'm so excited. It's been 2 years since I've been to Coachella. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. All right, let's wear some crazy-ish, guys. I don't know. What was I thinking? Maybe it's gonna be cute. I don't know. We're taking risks this weekend. We're doing it. It's gonna be good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know in the comments if you miss hauls and want to see more of them, because I haven't stopped shopping, you know, from time to time. I just have kind of stopped posting hauls. But let me know if you love hauls. I'd love to film more. I personally love watching hauls. If you haven't already shopped the spring merch drop, you can shop at shop.laurDIY.com, or I'll have the link in the description box below. If you haven't seen last Sunday's Sun DIY, that'll also be linked down below, and I will see you guys on Sunday for a Sun DIY, and again on Wednesday for another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets. DIY.